What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Cleverreach marketing platform and its different features. So to go to their website, simply type in Cleverreach and you'll land on their homepage right here. And here you can start to see the countries that they are supported in. And this is as simple as it gets. So no other information, no links here, nothing. And here they detected that I'm coming from Germany. My language is English. Now the page might seem empty here. I can select another country if I'm not from Germany, or if I'm using like a VPN, I can use choose my country. And let's say I'm in France, I can choose between French and English. So you can choose your country and language from the supported countries here, or if your country isn't here, you can go ahead and click on English in other worlds, so other countries other than the ones in the list. So you can get to start using the platform right away, and they do also have a Shopify app that I will show you later in the video. Now let's go here. And you can try it for free or request the product demo from one of their experts. And now you will get some more information, some links here as to what the platform is and how it can help you. Now here you can have newsletter editor and email marketing tools for email automations to your customers, as well as some screenshots to show you. Here they have this is, for example, the email marketing builder, I suppose. And you get some benefits as like free account and flexible duration, unlimited emails for your customers, GDPR compliant and made in Germany, as they detected that my country is Germany for some reason, easy start, and newsletter that hit home, as well as they have more than 370,000 customers from known companies. And if you scroll down here, you can see some of the features or highlights, such as free newsletter software and others here. And the more you scroll down, you can see here other features, like for example the AI content generator in the newsletter tool, as well as numerous integrations here with lots of popular services such as Salesforce, WooCommerce, Shopify, amongst others, and other features as you go. Now here you can sign up for free, but before we get started, let's take a look at their plans and pricing. So you have the light plan, which is free. You have the essential, which is starts at 15 euros a month and goes up as the number of recipients for your emails and newsletters increase. You have the flex, which starts at 24, and the enterprise that starts at 4.99 a month. Of course, it goes up as you want. Now you can go ahead and see and compare the benefits of each plan right here and see the key features. But for me, let's start with the light plan. Okay, select light plan now. And now I need to sign up either with Google or with my email address and password. So I'm going to go ahead with my email address and password. And you can also sign in here if you already have an account. I'll go in with my email and password and then continue the sign up process. And now I just need to go ahead and confirm and verify my email. So I'm going to my inbox and verify my email because they sent me a verification one. I'll do so pretty quickly. And once I confirmed my email here, I'm redirected to continue setting up my account. So what's my salutation, Mr.? I need here to enter my first and last name, so I'm going to go do so pretty quickly. Okay, continue. About my company, let's say my company is How to Simple, and their website, my website is howtosimple.net. Okay, continue. What's the branch of industry, or what's my industry? Let's say I am in the e-commerce business. Continue. I'm a beginner. Okay, continue. And now they'll be creating my dashboard. And here I've finished the first two steps, signing up and completing my data. I need to check my legal notice here. Add contacts to recipients list. I can connect my Shopify store to transfer receivers automatically or go ahead and add them manually. And here they invite me to design my first email with Cleverreach with one of their ready-made templates. Now this is the main dashboard. I have here the recipients. Of course, I don't have any because I've just created this account. I have the block list, the bounce, the preference center. It's in beta. I can add a list right here. So I can rename the list. Let's say test. Okay. create the list. And now I can add subscriber or import file that has all my recipients here. I can select an integration to upload a file or add a file right here. I can select integration to automatically import my contacts, or I can upload a CSV file or like an Excel file that has all my recipients here. Now in the emails, I can select a template or create a new email. So these are the templates. If I click on templates right here, I can select one from a pre-made, some of the pre-made templates as my email for my email campaign. Here I have the elements and images. So let's go ahead to templates and let's select a template. Let's say I like this one. Select it. Okay, if it's a simple newsletter or an automation email, let's go with an email. And here I can choose the subject. I can even add emojis. I can choose the pre-header or add the pre-header, and the sender here and the sender email address. Okay, save and continue. Okay, sender is myself, John Smith. Okay, save and continue. Okay, continue. And now I'm in the editor where I can edit like the elements of my template. So I can change the text right here. Let's say test text, and I can edit the formatting of the text, such as bold, italic. I can edit the font, edit the color, and everything. So let's make it, for example, red. Okay, looking good. And I can edit the image here. I can change the image, click on change, to upload an image here, to change it, to add my own. And I can edit the alignment, and I can also add items here. And if I scroll down, I can see standard elements. So let's say I want to add an image here on top of the other one. I can click on it to upload an image here. So basically, like customizing my email template. And once I'm happy, click on continue. It's saving right now. And I can further edit the details for the email. Now here I've showed you the website itself. Let's go back to the main dashboard. Okay, and here I have forms, and I can create a new form here. Now, let me show you the app on Shopify pretty quickly. So if I go to Shopify and search here for Cleverreach, okay, hit enter. It'll open up in the App Store, and here it is, the Cleverreach email marketing app. Click on it, install once again. And here I can log in with my existing Cleverreach account or create a new account from within Shopify. So let me log in with my existing account here. Here I can add the account customer ID and sign in with the username and password to log in and start using the tools of Cleverreach from within my Shopify store. So that was pretty much it. That's how easy it is to use Cleverreach to create newsletters and email marketing campaigns from the Cleverreach website, or in this case, from within Shopify as well.